How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about something that probably a lot of people talk about, and that is ETF trading. I'm noticing really consistent results with this. I really love it. So the one I'm going to talk about is Yang. Obviously, we know the China market has been just pumping up big, but we do know it's going to have a correction every time. They have always had correction. Price always moves in waves. And the reason why I like ETFs is you don't have to worry about terrible news, right? It's not a company. It's what we're doing is we're going to do the China bear. So we want the China market to go down. So Yang is that 3 times leverage. So, obviously you don't want to hold these long, but all I'm saying is price is going to be more consistent than anything else, as this is an ETF. So there's big money to be made in this. If you look at the last time we touched the EMA 5, you can literally see that we haven't touched it since 9/13. And why is that so important? Because price always touches the EMA 5 no matter what. Obviously if there's big circumstances like a stimulus, pumping up the market, it's going to be a little longer. So you got to take that in fact. So the last time we touched it was way here. So we haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 daily candles not touching it. And obviously, we're having some generation power problems over here. So keep that in mind. But yeah, it hasn't touched in 12 daily candles. That is insane, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You guys don't know, this is my highest value swing trade. It's more consistent. You're not going to have terrible news. And you can always my thing is I want to keep adding into it. So, I don't want to just throw all my money in one ad. I want to just keep averaging, because if it goes down from here, that's totally fine. If it goes up, that's totally fine too. I want to do 2 ads. So if I have a $5,000 account, putting $2,500 on this candle here, $2,500 on the next, and it'll just really jump my average down. If you look at this price thing from just here to the EMA 5 is a 20% return. Obviously, I'm going to take the 10 to 20% gains. To the ATR4, this lower band here is a 15% gain, and it will touch all those. Those are literally very conservative targets. I know, no doubt about it will touch those. So this is a very exciting thing. I love to talk about this stuff, and I'm trying to look at my strategy, and these tend to work so much better. Like my first entry, I did buy it right in here. We had a nice little pump, and so I gathered these 2 dips down in here. So I started here, bought here, and then as you can see, we had a nice little move. And making those 10% gains is that it really helps. So from here to this low here, we had a nice move. We had that 11% move up. So Yang is an ETF. I love these things with my strategy because price always moves in waves, price corrects and reverts to the mean, and they do it more consistently with ETFs. So do keep in mind, if you're watching this video, I'm going to really start learning more of these. I'm going to start doing more research, but I think if you have not heard of Yang, this is something to keep out and watch out for. And honestly, I always tell people, let the sellers take it out throughout the whole day. When you see price, they're going to take it down. Look at this big red candle here. Imagine buying Yang, right up here in the beginning of the day. You would have still made money on this if you just waited throughout the day. Let's say you bought it at the end of the day, and look, it made a 10, 11% move from those lows. And that's what I want to tell people to do. Let the sellers win. So here's a perfect example. We have a big full body candle going down. So you would only buy at the end of the day. My swing trading strategy teaches that, and it's a very nice, and you never just go all in, because if it goes down a little more, you want to have that powder here. This is swing trading strategy where you want to, where price is going to go, so you have the massive advantage around other people. What's long if it don't touch the EMA 5. Well, we're at 12 daily candles. Anything that don't touch in 7 is long, but keep in mind this is a China ETF, so they do take longer than others, and this is a big overreaction move. All right, guys, if you guys like this video, do take the time to join the Discord. I think you guys are going to really love it. I'll put the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. When you do join, I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android user, you'll have to use your phone browser or your computer. Avoid scammers. I will never message you, DM you first, or trade your accounts. And you can also read the testimonies of how a lot of people are making massive money doing this strategy. And you can improvise it, do it however you want. I'm just going to teach you guys the basic principles and teach you guys how to fish. It's not more about looking at what I'm exactly buying, entries and exits. It's more like understanding the strategy, and that's what's different about this Discord. So if you head on over to Server Shop, where you just hit day trade alerts here, you'll get access to everything. But it's only $12 a month. If you don't like it, that's totally fine. But the one thing I can guarantee is you will learn a lot with this strategy. So $12 a month, you get access to everything for the Day and Swing Trading Plus. I highly recommend that. I love day trading the most. I day trade the SPY, IWM, and QQQ, the most volume of the indexes, and price tends to react better. Because remember, when you're day trading, you want higher the volume, the better. So I use low time frames, and I'm in and out of, within minutes making 10 to 20% gains. So hope you guys enjoyed this. And like I said, I have all the education, and I'll always keep adding more. As time goes by, I improvise. Like, I understand, like, ETFs. Wow, they actually work really well with this strategy. You don't have to worry about just company news and all these random things. ETFs tracks the China, this yang tracks the China market. So that since China's going up, this yang is going to go down. But that's fine, because we're looking for trend reversal strategy. A lot of people would be like, oh, I don't even know how to play this. But with these indicators and where where price is going to go, yes, you would know how to play this. And we're also looking at a low K value of 4.67. That's that bottom stochastic layer down below. The last time we pumped, we had around a 6 here, right here. It went a little low, and we pumped here. I think we are definitely due for a big move. I would not be surprised if we just hit the EMA 5 very soon. I'm looking to put some big money in this. This is my favorite swing trade setup at the moment. But yeah, definitely join the Discord. You're going to get swing trade alerts, swing trade swing trade alerts, day trade alerts, videos, and all that, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did like it, definitely give it a like, subscribe, comment. But this is my favorite setup for swings, and let's make some money, guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Happy trading.